Have you ever wondered why nobody's buying your digital products, even though you've put in so much work creating them? It's not because your products aren't good. It's because nobody knows they exist. No one's going to buy from you if they can't find you. So, what's the solution? Simple. You need to get your products in front of people. That's where marketplaces come in. You see, platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce are great for running your store, but they won't help you get the traffic you need. You need marketplaces. Why? Because marketplaces bring their own built-in audience. They already have people actively browsing, searching, and ready to buy. And the best part is that many of these marketplaces let you list your digital products for free, meaning you can tap into that massive traffic without paying a cent in ads. This video is all about showing you how to promote your digital products for free using these marketplaces. We'll go through a bunch of platforms that can get your products in front of a huge audience, people who are already looking for what you're selling. You'll learn how to take advantage of existing traffic and drive sales without spending a dime on ads. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where to list your digital products, how to set them up, and how to start making sales. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. Marketplace 1 first up is Creative Market. This platform is huge in the design world. If you're selling graphics, fonts, templates, photos, web design elements, or 3D models, Creative Market is a perfect fit. They have a network of over 10 million members, which is 10 million people that your products can be shown to. That's a lot of potential customers browsing through categories that align perfectly with what you're selling. To get started, head over to Creative Market's website and click on Join, sign up, log in, and then click on Open a Shop to send a shop request. Then, you just need to fill out some info about yourself, the kind of products that you want to create, and a portfolio of your products. It's a straightforward process. Once you're approved, you can upload your digital products to be seen by millions of potential customers. Marketplace 2 next, we have Envato Market. This is actually a collection of niche marketplaces, including Theme Forest, Audio Jungle, Video Hive, Photo Dune, Graphic River, Code Canyon, and 3D Ocean. The one I want to focus on here is Graphic River, which is very similar to Creative Market. It's where you can sell your fonts, graphic designs, add-ons, printables, and all sorts of creative digital products. To get started, visit their site and click on Start Selling. Create a profile, upload your products, and begin reaching an audience of buyers who are actively browsing for design assets. Envato's massive user base means your products won't be hidden in the crowd. Marketplace 3. If you're into selling fonts, graphics, or other design assets, Creative Fabrica is another great option. This marketplace is popular for selling creative assets like cutting machine files, embroidery patterns, and even knitting downloads. To start selling, create an account on the website. Then click on Turn My Account into a Designer Account. It's another easy setup that gives you access to a large audience of creative professionals who need your products. Marketplace 4 Gumroad is another fantastic option for selling digital products. This one is a little more versatile than the other platforms we've talked about so far. You can sell anything that's downloadable: graphics, fonts, ebooks, courses, you name it. Gumroad is massive, with almost 200,000 creators who have made over $1 billion by selling digital products and memberships on the platform. To start selling, just head over to the website, click on Start Selling, and then create an account. Right away, you can customize your store and upload your products. Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms on this list when it comes to listing your products. This platform is especially great if you're selling digital products that don't fit neatly into the design category. Marketplace 5. Now let's talk about DeviantArt. If you're an artist, this is a platform you can't ignore. DeviantArt has 100 million unique visitors every month, which means there's a huge pool of potential customers. The site focuses on digital art, and you can also set up subscriptions, offer commissions, or feature your art in premium galleries. It's one of the best places to showcase your artwork and connect with other artists and buyers. Their communities are really strong and supportive here. To get started, head over to the website, click on Join, set up an account, and then start listing your products. The key here is that DeviantArt has a highly engaged audience that's already searching for digital art, so this is where you want to be if you're in this niche. Marketplace 6. Then there's Etsy. While it's traditionally known for handmade goods, Etsy has become a go-to marketplace for digital products as well. Etsy has almost 100 million active buyers, so the traffic is undeniably massive. The key advantage of selling digital products on Etsy is that the digital product market is less competitive than the physical goods market, meaning your products have a better chance of standing out. To start selling, head over to Etsy's website and create a shop that's optimized for digital downloads. It's a great platform to showcase your digital creations, whether that's art, planners, templates, or anything else. Marketplace 7 Design Cuts is a much smaller platform than Etsy, but it's a great alternative if you're looking to stand out. It specializes in design assets, and with 1 million creatives using this platform, it's a promising marketplace for digital product creators. You can sell things like fonts, digital brush strokes, templates, courses, and more. To sell, head over to the Design Cuts website, scroll all the way down, and then click on Open a Store. Then, follow the prompts and instructions to get started. The audience here is focused on creative professionals, so it's a good place for design-based products. Marketplace 8, The Hungry JPEG, is very similar to Creative Market and Creative Fabrica, but with fewer sellers, which means less competition. They focus on fresh, unique, and premium bundles, fonts, graphics, crafts, and many other design resources. This is a great place to list premium products at a higher price without worrying about competitors. Just register, log in, and follow their simple instructions to set up a store. The key takeaway from all of this is that there are a ton of platforms available to help you promote your digital products for free. These marketplaces already have established customer bases and built-in traffic, so you don't need to worry about driving traffic to your own site. Instead, you can focus on creating great products and letting these marketplaces do the heavy lifting for you. I encourage you to explore these marketplaces and pick the ones that make the most sense with the types of digital products you're creating. The more platforms you're on, the more opportunities you have to make sales. Don't limit yourself to one place. Spread your digital products across several of these marketplaces and let them work together to drive traffic and sales. If you have any questions about how to sell and create digital products, or if you want to learn more specific hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club School community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. So, which marketplace are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this.